In this video, I am going to show you how you can automate your LinkedIn with the post that can get you the followers, engagement, and even the sales. For this video, I am using this AI, that is Dynal AI. With the help of this AI, it can just automate your LinkedIn posting with the images, the post, the carousels, the PDF, everything in this platform you can generate easily. And because there's the brand DNA option available, this platform is going to analyze or the audit your profile deeply and the highly engaging way that the post it is going to generate is the relevant to your profile or the post you have already done here. So I'm going to give you detailed overview with the tutorials how you are going to set up or the connect your LinkedIn account. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here and I am just giving out the AI week. In this week, I am talking about the AI tools that can make your life easy, productivity, helpful and the effortless in your business setups here. So today's video, I am going to talk about LinkedIn, and this is the really good tool to help you to outreach, automate and the marketing stuff, because LinkedIn is the huge community of the professionals who look the solutions for their problems. Okay, so this tool is the Dynal.ai, right now available on the App Store with the lifetime deal. You can read out, build a LinkedIn profile or the brand in the 30 to 90 days by turning ideas, links, PDF and the images into the post in your own brand tone or the voice here. If I scroll down below, you can learn more about this platform. There's the options available that you can easily connect your LinkedIn account, so you don't have to go with that kind of the way that is something like the you have to waste time here. You in this single click you can basically click your or connect your LinkedIn account. So we have the multiple plans available. Every plan can give you the extra credits per month, which can be helpful to generating the post. You can connect the number of the LinkedIn accounts, and every plan has the higher limits. I suggest go with at least the tier 2 or the tier 3, because here we have the 3 or the 10 LinkedIn accounts connectivity, and all these features you are watching right now you will easily get to access here. So there's the one click LinkedIn posting, connecting LinkedIn accounts. We have the post PDF notes, post from the images and the links. We have the AI planner and automatically scheduled post here, and multiple LinkedIn accounts we can manage in this single dashboard. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal link is given in the description. And if you are something new to the app sumo, freshly buying a new tool, you can get the extra discount as well. So now let me get to the platform here, and this is how this platform look like. You are going to first land in on the dashboard, where it will actually going to show you what we would like to post on the LinkedIn here. Okay, and we have the different formats available. We can add the sources, like if we have the PDF or the any JPG or the PNG file available, we can upload and then turn it into the post. I can also add the website that it is going to research and going to show you the post that you can post, showing to creating and going to generate out of your website into the post that you can schedule later on. Okay, so I'm going to close this one. I can also just create the carousel post, or I can visualize my post. Even if you don't know how to get started, just simply go to the trending section here, because here it is going to show you some of the most trending posts on the LinkedIn right now. So you can scroll and see that something like the really good for you, like this one. The most successful people I don't know chase success. Okay, so this is something kind of the goal specific of the post, and you can just read out, analyze this post, and you will see that it has a really good engagement and the comments. So what you can do, either you can view this post or you can repurpose it for yourself. Means for the single clicks you can even generate the same or the ideal post for you as well, and that will be ready to publish on your LinkedIn account. So I'm going to repurpose it. Simply click here on the repurpose, and now it will asking you what kind of the stuff you want to repurpose, like the structure of the post, topic, tone or the image. So I want to repurpose image, I want to repurpose the structure and the topic, and tone will be the my own of the brand. Okay, so I will click here on the confirm, and now you can see it is going to just start generating a prompt here with the post we have selected and the image it has shown up here. Okay, so once this thing is done uploading here, we will be the enable this button, yeah, send, and now it will send to the Dynal AI, and it is now something like the chat GPT kind of the interface, where it is analyzing the post as the reference, and then it will start creating the process. First it is going to generate the LinkedIn copy, and later on it is going to generate the image for me. So you can see, I think within the 10 to 15 seconds I got my LinkedIn post copy ready for me. So let's read out more. Career stalls for one simple reason: we chase promotion stands of the compounding value. Yeah, that is true. The people who quietly become untouchable don't network harder, they add more value more often to the more people. So I left it here, and the format of the post is actually pretty good here. Then we have also some extra options available. If I want to do changes in this post, like I want to make it more reflective, make it shorter, make it question hook, and then we have some extra options like for the post length and the CTA. We have also the language. I want to if turn this post into another language, I can do that. We have the content structure. So based on any of this stuff, you can just regenerate your post as well. So while I am talking about this, my image is also ready, and it's quietly ideal to that post, not the fully copy and paste. It regenerated the image for me based on the reference of that post and the image here. So you can see this is the image here. I can also do some of the edit sections, like I want to erase something, I can do that here. Like I want to erase this one section. Okay, so I can just simply select this one. Okay, let me go till the end. Okay, and now I can click here on the magic erase, and I can just delete or erase the selected area. I can expand the image, and I can upload the more of this stuff. Okay, so I think this post looks really good here, and I can click here on the publish, and now this will something like a post draft here on the right side of the section. And here I can just edit this post here. I can remove the watermark. Okay, I want to remove the watermark. This is the carousel mode that will be converted into the PDF, so I don't want to be in published into the carousel mode. So okay, this will be the one short post. Now I can either publish now or I can schedule. So I will go to the schedule, and here I can just select the time and the date on which I want to schedule this post. Okay, and I can also preview the post, how it will look like. Okay, so once the preview post is live, this is how it's going to look like in your dashboard of the LinkedIn. Okay, and this is how the engagements, if you got, will look like. Okay, so that's beautiful and really easy to do that. And within a few seconds I found a really trending post that is actually working out, and make it with the repurpose into my own brand tone. Okay, so with the trending you can do that. Now this is the brand DNA section available. Okay, so here what you can do, you can analyze the profile. Okay, you can just understand its AI to research or creating the post in your own brand. This is basically about training this AI by analyzing or audit your profile. So simply what you can do, you can just connect your LinkedIn profile here. So how you can do or connecting your LinkedIn profile, here you can do that. This is the LinkedIn profile. Okay, and here it will ask you to connect it. Okay, even if you didn't get to see how to connect the LinkedIn profile, while setting up or engaging your or entering or configuring your dashboard, it will show you to connect it. Even if you don't know how to do that, simply go to the account section, and here you just go to the accounts. Here you have to the LinkedIn connection, and you can see this is the LinkedIn connectivity. It will show up. If you want to add a new LinkedIn account, simply click here on the connect a new LinkedIn account. It will just redirect you to the LinkedIn. There you have to just add your credentials and sign in, and you will be connected to this platform. That's how it's easy to one-click connectivity in this platform. Okay, so this is how the brand DNA work out. It is going to basically show you the LinkedIn profile, the tone, the audience, and the boundaries, visuals, knowledge, everything that you are going to set up and configure in the brand DNA. This is the analytics section that is right now don't available. I think they are still working on the analytics sections, how they are going to show you the your post results. It is going to appear now. This is one of my favorite tool section, that is the plan section. So here what you can do, you can just plan ahead of your profile post. For example, right now you can see setup preferences, review drafts, and confirm schedule. So what I am do, I am going to plan the some post here. So let me plan. Okay, where's the button? Yeah, you can see the create new plan, and here in this plan you will see that I have to first select my brand. This is the brand here, and I want the professional and the empowering. Okay, and I will go for the marketing agency. This is my account I have selected, and the plan start. I want to create the post for the or I want to this planning for the up to the next 7 days. So I have selected that. You can go more than the 7 days by the way. Okay, and now you can see it will okay, I haven't selected, so why it is generating. First let me go to next 7 days. Okay, now what your goal about this plan? Increase visibility and build the professional authority. We have also the promote my product to the survey, stay active this week, or hire or attract talent. Okay, this is the tone and the number of the post. How many posts you want to generate for this upcoming 7 days? So I will go around the 7. Let's go with the 5. Then this is the output language. You can select from the 7 or 8 languages, I think. Then I will go with the default one, that is the English, and let's click here on the next. Okay, please select the at least one account. I haven't selected the account, I don't know. I have selected that. This is the brand, tone, and the marketing agency. And now let's click here on the next button. It will now start generating the post for me, and these posts is going to be relevant to the content around my profile, because the AI is already trained in the brand DNA. This is the post I am getting really high and the encouraging or the relevant for my profile. So let's back to the profile section, plan section again, and I already have the some of the plans I have created. Let's see. This is the goal I have already created. This is the goal I have created while testing out the tool. So I'm going to go to the edit and see if I got the some of the post or not. Okay, so this is the post it has generated for me. Okay, basically go check it out. This is the topic one, leveraging LinkedIn to build the authority, a simple visible system. This is the 7th post I have generated. So I'm going to open anyone. Let's click here on the plus, choose files, add website. Okay, so basically this is right now the drafts with the outlines and the topics. Now I have to click on the generate post for this outlines or the drafts. Okay, and now it will start generating detailed post, and I think this post is going to be the text plus the images. Might be possible there's also the few more interactive assets already going to be implemented in this post. So we will need to wait until the posts are generating. So let me back here again, and I have already generated a post. Yeah, you can see this is the post I have already generated here. This is only the one post although I have generated. So let me open up, and you can see the let me go to the edit section, and you can see this is the draft. It's automatically generated. In 2026, the future of the work is not hypothetical anymore. AI automatic more tasks. Okay, I loved it. And this post is long one, and it's automatically added the carousels file. So let me open up. I think I need to go to the preview section to check it out. So let me open up. Yeah, this is the carousel one, and look at the interface it has generated for you. So right now I think I can just put this here. Okay, so let me publish this one. So I confirm and post update successfully, and let me go to my LinkedIn account and see if actually this post is updated or not. So I'm going to refresh my LinkedIn profile. So we are actually in the real time testing out. Okay, where's the post section? It's not published yet, so I think I have made a blunder. So I'm going to be this one, edit section, and save, post update successfully. Let me open up, remove watermark, preview, to be released. Okay, you can see this is actually showing us to be released here. So when this is going to be released, I need to know that one. So no worries, we can always go on to the calendar and see when it is scheduled here. So you can see it is scheduled for this timing here. So I will go to this one, and let's see if I can just change the scheduled timing and publish it right now or not. So yeah, cancel, and now let's back again, save. Where's the timing? Okay, once this schedule is done, I think I cannot change schedule date. Okay, so that thing, I think this one needs to be corrected. Okay, this is the thing you need to be if you want to do the changes like in your schedulement and want to change right now for the posting, it should be changed, but I cannot able to find that out. So actually this is scheduled for the later day. but no worries, I can still go on the different things. Let me go back to the plan and see if my new posts are published or not. So yeah, it is start publishing out. Yeah, this one you can see it is just generated everything, and it is again a carousel. It is generated for me. You can see this is carousel generated. Okay, now I understand why it is just scheduled for the this time, because I have just gone on the plan section, and ahead of this 7 days next time I have just start generating the post. That's why it is not right now given me the access to publish it right now. Okay, because it is the up to the 7 days of the schedulement already done here. Okay, so I think I can just check out. If you are B2B professional 2026, you are not taking LinkedIn seriously, you are quite capping your career. This is still the primary place where your professional identity is verified and searchable. People arrive with the professional intent to learn, buy and partner. Okay, I am really happy with that and surprised the quality is really good. So I will click here on the confirm and post is scheduled. Okay, so this is how you can done. But if you want to create a new post and publish it right now, you have to go to the create new section. Let me maximize the dashboard. Okay, and here you can just click here on the carousel. Okay, I can go on the carousel here, and then you have to just add your own prompt here, like create a post on importance of cold outreaching. So now, because I have set the carousel and given the prompt what kind of stuff I want to generate, simply click here on the enter, and let's see if it is going to generate the that carousel format with the some series of the images or not. So right now it is generating the LinkedIn copy, and we have to wait till I got the this information. So let's see, my copy is ready. So while image generating, we can read out. If you are relying on the inbound as the founder, seller, BD pro or the job seeker, you will wait a long time. Okay, cold outreach isn't spam by default. Bad lazy outreach is. The people who win treat cold outreach like a high quality repeatable system. Research and the personalization, clear value prop. Okay, and this the simple example it has also added in this post here. Okay, I think this looks really good. And now let's see what is the it is going to generate in the carousel images. So it is going to generate, I think, the 5 or 6 images. So we need to wait some few more seconds until all these images in the carousel is generated. I got the one image here, by the way. So let me open up here. So I can just, okay, right now until all the images is generated, I cannot evenly open up this image for the editing or the, I think download is pretty good here, but I cannot open up for the editing. So second image is generated, and look at how clean interface it is giving in the images. Why it still matter? And there's also the infographics or kind of the graphic it has added in this images. I'm really surprised with that. Okay, so we need to wait until all these images is done. Okay, everything is done publishing here, and now what I will do, simply click here on the publish, and this time I will got everything here. Okay, this is my copy, this is the carousel image, and now I will simply click here on the publish now. So it is asking me to select the account on which I want to publish. So this is the account. I will click here on the publish, and my post is published. Now let's back to the my LinkedIn account, and let me refresh the profile here and see this post is actually published or not. And you can see right now this post is published successfully on my profile, and here are all the carousel images. Let me scroll, and it's really amusing. Okay, so this tool is the promising what it is offering. Within the 30 to 90 days, if you are going to schedule your profile with this high engaging carousel kind of the post, or even the PDF kind of the post, and basically the value giving post, okay, your profile is definitely going to grow. And because you don't have the go on the manually kind of the research typing the post, it is going to save you a lot of the hours every week here. So I hope you enjoyed this video and get to know this video is going to helpful for you. Just comment if you have any other questions, and I will going to reply back. Hit the like this video if you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the tools. And if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal of the Dynal AI, I have just given the link in the description. In my suggestion, the tier 2 or the 3 plan is the good for you. And that's all. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.